In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BTCC in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to place trades on BTCC directly from your Tradingview charts, which makes your workflow a lot smoother and more efficient. Let's start from the Tradingview homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account. Once you're in, head straight to the chart section. You can do this by clicking on chart from the main navigation. This will open up a full trading chart, which is where all of the broker connection tools are located. When your chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. Depending on your layout, it might be collapsed, so if you only see a small bar at the bottom, click on it to expand. The trading panel is the area where you see all supported brokers and trading integrations that Tradingview can connect to. With the trading panel open, look for an option that says something like Show All Brokers. Go ahead and click that. This expands the full list of available brokers and partners that Tradingview supports. The list can be quite long, so it's often easier to scan visually or use the search bar if one is available. Now, in this list, you want to look specifically for BTCC. Take your time to scroll until you find it, and make sure you select the correct entry, so you don't accidentally choose another broker with a similar name. Once you've located BTCC in the list, click on it to highlight or select it. This tells Tradingview that this is the broker you'd like to connect with your chart. After selecting BTCC, you'll see an option to connect. Usually, there will be a Connect button or something very similar. Click on that button. At this point, Tradingview will begin the process of linking your Tradingview account to your BTCC account. From here, Tradingview may open a login window or redirect you to a secure page where you'll need to authenticate with BTCC. Just follow the on-screen prompts from BTCC to complete the connection. Once you've done that, your BTCC account should be successfully linked to Tradingview, and you'll be able to place trades, manage positions, and monitor your account directly from the chart interface.